Deep in the camera. Part 5 will be uploaded now. First buses I'll be showing are the ones I did something new. This is for China 9. Says Route 29 right now. China 9 on the roof. Route 1 on the roof. Route 1. These are ICs. No, these are Thomas C2 Freightliners. This one don't have a black card, but very soon I'm putting a black card on it. Route 5. Nassau C2 Freightliner. These are 2010s. Next up are my Snub-Nose Safety T-Liner Thomas. These are 2018. On the box of that it was 2018. 23. There's nothing special about this one yet, but I'm going to probably try to put a black hood on the Snub-Nose. 32. Another 2018 Thomas Snub-Nose. Snub-Noses. And then this is a 2002 Thomas Freightliner. Mark 14, usual. I want to mark that off. 14. Like in the last video, I said the door was open. And there's my school buses. I want to talk about that one very quick before I get to the police cars. 2018. Oh well. Police cars now. Then the Ford Explorers. This is a 2016, 2017 Ford Explorer, Georgia State Cheapo. Nothing special about this one yet. but I'm planning on doing something to the back. This is a 2020 Police Interceptor. It's full. I love these. These phones more better than 2016s now. That's 2016 Adam County. Adam County Sheriff. And also 2020 Police Interceptor. I'm keeping this the same. White bar. Black and white, frozen. Here's another 2016 one. Six top. Fully swole. Another white 2020. Fully swole. Got two. Keeping this the same. And here's a 2013 Border Control Police Interceptor. Comment down below if the border control is police too. My fully exposed. I'm buying me some more convicts too. Convicts. This is Sheriff Rex car from The Walking Dead. 2010 Police Interceptor. I still can't get the hood up, but it comes up though. A Sheriff 2010 Convict. One blue lights. Comment down below where this police car comes from. Where this police car is from. And a Orlando, Florida Police 2010 Convict. Yeah, you use a bush spur and a book somehow. With red and white and blue light bulb. Hood comes up. And here's another 2010 Convict. My convicts. Sorry about that, but my convicts.
Are you hungry? Dad, you hungry?
You can make pizza. And my trucks. I'm talking about this one first. This is a 2012 Silverado Police Interceptor. Comment down below where this truck is from. Nice truck. Four door. and it's also a strict top. Now, this is a Florida State Cheapo FH. This is FHP, a F350. Nothing special about this one yet. It's also a diesel and a door. And there's my push trucks. My Dodge Chargers. Doing this one, 2016 Charger, New York State Cheapo, and that's it for that one. My 2016 NYPD police car, light bulb. It's not blocking like the blue one. Hood comes up. And my NASA 2016 Georgia State Cheapo Charger. That broke somehow. Clear light bulb. Hood comes up too. And my 2011 Dodge Charger Boost Interceptor. It's a Tennessee police car with a clear light bulb. Hood comes up too. And that's the special about these. And my Dodge Chargers. And here's my 2012 Chevy Impala Police Interceptor. The blue light bulb. Hood doesn't come up. Those. And the trunk opens. And that's it. My school buses and police cars. And those open. And that's it. Like, subscribe, and I make new videos. Comment down below if you want me to do part 6 of my school buses or my police cars on them on. See you.